Hmm? You sit and read your baby a book?
Yeah.
Yeah. You read your baby a book. Yeah. You can sit up there. Where? Oh, you got both babies. Both babies? Okay, where's this one gonna go? Right there. And they lay down and you read them a book as they go night-night? Are they going night-night? Okay, you read to them. You can read out loud so they can hear you?
Yeah. That you dig down.
Yes, it is.
That you
Mm-hmm.
you
Yeah, Daddy's got his digger down on. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. You hold the baby. Which book are you reading? Can you show me? Which book?
Now, what are you doing?
I'm taping Sydney because she's reading her babies a book. Or he playing Daddy's guitar. Uh-oh, Sydney's getting in on the game.
My plate.
Oh, your bowl.
My baby.